Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2020 Infiniti QX60 that we have for sale. This was recently retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is we'll pluck a new Infiniti out of our inventory and we'll put it in loaner car service for about a year, and then we'll retire it and make it available for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer or a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended service days. In fact, Infiniti, when they came out in the US in the late 80s, they were one of the first auto manufacturers to offer complimentary loaner cars, and a lot of people have followed suit ever since then. This one is a clean Carfax vehicle, really nice shape, only 14,840 miles. Original MSRP was $52,770. This one has the Essential Package. The Essential Package was $2,900, giving you an around view camera, moving object detection, front and rear sonar sensors, navigation system, illuminated kick plates. This beautiful color of deep Bordeaux was a $500 premium color, one sharp color. Really nice color combination. The wheat interior is a nice contrast with the Bordeaux exterior. Moonroof. Nice leather interior, power and heated front seats, heated steering wheel, CVT transmission to maximize performance and efficiency. This one has navigation, 360-degree around view camera. In fact, Infiniti had one of the first 360 production cameras. They love to be pioneers of technology and owner experiences. Really cool stuff from Infiniti. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. The steering wheel is also heated. We have a blind spot warning, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking. Lots of great safety features. Really one eye-catching vehicle. This deep Bordeaux is one awesome color. Being a mid-size crossover, it's a great family vehicle. Lots of space for you and your family. Lots of creature comforts. Dual zone climate control in the front, rear climate control. The second row seats, they slide back and forth, they recline. The passenger side latch system is designed to have a forward-facing car seat in place and the ability to fold that seat forward without having to remove the forward-facing car seat. Some competition, you actually have to remove the car seat and able to fold the seat forward for third row access. Just because that's the way the latch system is designed. That's kind of a pain. I have a 4-year-old in the forward-facing car seat, and I'd hate to have to remove the car seat every time I wanted third row access. I hate taking car seats in and out. Actually, I'm so lazy that we have 4 vehicles and we just have car seats for each vehicle now instead of having to move them around. That's how much of a pain it is for me to move car seats. Power rear lift gate. Obviously, the second row seats fold fairly flat. Second row fold flat. Third row fold flat. A little bit more cargo space in here. The QX60 comes standard with front wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This has the intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why it is intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's 100% front wheel drive for improved gas mileage. One of the best aspects of the QX60 is its engine. It's an amazing engine. I love this engine. My 05 G35, which I drove to work today, has a variation of this engine. I've seen these engines go 200 and 300,000 miles. Infiniti has been making this engine for a long time. They're improving it. They've recently improved it with direct injection. 295 horsepower, so it's very powerful. Really, for a vehicle like this, you wouldn't really want more than 295 horsepower. It's plenty, but it's also very, very reliable. I've seen these engines go 200, 300,000 miles. And with maintenance-free timing chains, you never need to worry about the costly replacement of timing belts. Timing belts can be expensive, especially in luxury cars to replace. You won't have to worry about that. The timing chains are zero maintenance and are designed to last the service life of the engine, which incidentally is 300,000 miles. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.